Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group in United Real Estate. Taking a tour of a house today. It's called the Atherton Floor Plan with Eastwood Homes. We're here in the Woodley Park subdivision of Lake Carolina. And this is a Craftsman style home. The Atherton is. It's about a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, about 2,600 square feet. We'll take a quick look through it. It's a Craftsman style home. And what you'll see here as we take a look at the home, nice little features as a very open, very wide foyer area as you enter into the home. So I'll let you take a look and scan through that. Nice little wood flooring as you're going up the staircase with the wood risers and the wood planks. And as you enter in over here to your left, here is a bonus room that you can, or flex room, you can make it whatever you want it to be, a front sitting area, or you can make it an office space with the French doors here at the entrance. And you'll continue to walk toward the kitchen, and we'll pause here and take it in. A large island right here with the granite countertops. And as you span out over here, you can see more granite countertops throughout. Gas, so you got a gas cooktop. And then here will be what we would call your pantry area. Nice little stone, or should I say glass, backsplash area tiles with the nice little features there to you. All sort of kind of off-whitish with the stainless steel appliances, okay? I'll pan out over here. Here's your sit-in area where you can actually eat for your kitchen area, okay? And as you can see, it's a very open floor plan. I'll allow you to take it all in, okay? Very open. All right. Nice little calming, off-whitish coloring plan here in the kitchen. Like we said this is a Craftsman style home plan. And here's, you got a nice gas, it's a gas fireplace with the stone features in here. Okay, it's a mantle on top, wood mantle for you to put. You can put your flat screen TV up there, fix it to the wall. We'll keep it moving, transition over here. So it's, as we said, it's a 4-bedroom house. So you have a guest bedroom downstairs and a full bath, okay? So here you go, I'll let you see that. You got the garden tub, shower combination. And then we'll take a look over here. You got the granite vanity set here for you, okay? And the door that you can actually close, okay? And this is bedroom number 1, which is downstairs. This is your guest bedroom. And here's your closet that supports that. Let's take a look. Oh, there's an entrance door that you can slide into the bathroom that way as well. We won't push through because the door is behind it. But 2 entrances to the bathroom, one from the guest bedroom, and then one from the actual family area, okay? We'll transition here. So those are all the rooms downstairs rather, and we'll transition upstairs. So now we'll transition upstairs, as we talked about this already. So you had luxury vinyl plank for the flooring downstairs. As you come upstairs, now you're starting to see carpeted in all the rooms, and then tile in your wet spaces. So we'll pan out. The first one, we'll start from your right. And here's your laundry room upstairs with the tile flooring, and all the tile is matching, okay? Here is bedroom number 2, which is your owner's or master suite with the tray ceilings. Okay. All right. Carpeted flooring. And then again, we talked about, we have here the tiled flooring again. You see a lot of the blue tape. And what that's a sign of when you're talking about new construction is they're working through their punch list items, things that they want to correct before it's suitable to turn over to the actual buyer or purchaser of this house. Okay. Here's your water closet over here. And you've got toilet and the door that you can actually seal and close. All right. Here is your walk-in closet. Nice little spacious walk-in closet for you. Okay. And then you got the dual vanity. I'll let you look at that. Two of them, granite, matching granite from the granite that's downstairs. You got the garden tub right here. And then you got a separate stand-up shower. Okay, that's tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, got the high 9-foot ceilings in here. Okay. We've already been in there. And then here's a closet here for your linen. All right. So that's the master owner suite. So now we'll transition over to the other bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 3. Nice sized bedroom. Nothing to sneeze at. Okay. And a closet space for you. That's bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number, let's back it up, make sure we're good. That's 2, 3. That's 3. This is bedroom number 4. All right, this is a nicer sized bedroom here. Nice sized bedroom. Okay, that's bedroom number 4. And here's your second bath, or should I say third bath, because we've seen the bath downstairs. We saw the master suite bath, and then this is your third bath with the dual vanity. Okay, and you got the combo tub, garden tub / shower, and a toilet with its own linen closet. Okay. Again, you'll see more blue tape. That's because there's still a work in progress. This is a 5th room. All right. So plenty of bedroom space for your growing families or families with a lot of guests that are coming. You name it. And then you have a little loft area over here that you could use it for however you see fit. Okay? We'll head back downstairs. Lake Carolina is a highly desired community. Woodlake Park is just a sub community of Lake Carolina. Schools are part of the Richland District 2 schools, which are highly desirable, all the way from the elementary to the middle to the high school. Highly desired schools, so you can't go wrong with that when if schools are important to you. So this is a great property. I hope you enjoyed it. It has a lot of nice features, a lot of upgrades, a lot of great appointments associated with the home. And I'd love to, if you want to see it in person, just give me a call. I'd love to touch base with you and see if I can help you in any way. This is Julius Washington. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.